Hey, here comes our next junior statistics video. We're chatting dot plots. A dot plot, or a dot graph, but they're mostly called dot plots, is a statistical graph that's used to collect and display data. Right, let's show you how to draw a dot plot. Mr. Brown recorded down the number of siblings, which is how many brothers or sisters, in his Year 9 mathematics class. So here were the following results. Right, so we're going to turn the results into a dot plot that looks like this. So we're going to set up a scale from 0 to 7. There is no 0 in the list, so I probably didn't need 0, but we're going to go all the way up to 7 because there is the highest number in the list is 7. So here we go. This person had two siblings. Every time we draw a person, we put a dot. So far we've got 2 dots because we've done the first 2 people. So now the third person's got 3 siblings. So we put a dot above the 3. The next person's got 3 siblings, a dot above the 3 again. This person had 2 siblings, so we put another dot above the 2. 4 siblings, put a dot above the 4. 2 siblings, another dot above the 2. 5 siblings, so our first dot on the 5. 2 siblings, our 5th dot above the 2. 1 sibling, our first person with 1 sibling. Another 2, another dot on the 2, another 3, a 1, a 5, a 4, another 3, another 2, that is starting to grow. Our first 7, so we're going to put a dot above the 7, a 4 and a 3 to finish off. So there's our dot plot. Please put a title. This is the siblings in Mr. Brown's mathematics class that explains what it's all about. And we've completed our dot plot for Mr. Brown's mathematics class. We can see clearly in this example that most people had 2 siblings. Let me count up the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. So there were 7 people who had 2 siblings. That was the most common, the most popular number of siblings. Well, they're very useful diagrams, and if you wish to compare 2 sets of data, we can place them onto a one dot plot and call it a comparative dot plot or a back-to-back dot plot. In other words, we can put some data above and some data below. So here's Mr. Brown, and he's recorded his results of a statistics test from his Year 9 class, and he compares the results with the same statistics test from Mr. Baxter's Year 9 class. So we've got Mr. Brown versus Mr. Baxter. So let's go. Let's put these onto a back-to-back dot plot. Here it is here. We've got the scores going from the scale going from 0 to 10. The test was out of 10. And we've put Mr. Brown's results above. There was 1 student who got 0 and 1 student who got 10. And below we've put Mr. Baxter's class. Nobody in Mr. Baxter's class got 0. Nobody in Mr. Baxter's class got 1. But in Mr. Baxter's class, you can see the highest score was 9. Nobody got 10. Right, that's us for now. So thanks for watching in.